Air filter replacement in Mercedes W164 body. So it's 2010. A lot of videos on YouTube is by removing a glove box, taking bunch of screws and other thing. I looked at the manual, repair manual, and it was saying to replace through here. It's pretty easy, I just did it. I'll show you real quick. There is two clips that you have to just pop up, just two. This thing comes out. As you see, it's already new two filters. Okay, two new filters. Okay, have you taken them? Just, here you just have to pull them up, one and then another one. You just pull in like that through here, then shifting this one. First you pull this, the right one, then you shift in left one to the right and taking it out. The way to put it back, first you put in this one right here, slide it back. This one was a little bit more difficult because at the end, I don't know if you can see, it's not that much space. It's kind of the back end is kind of shorter. So this one, in order to put that one comparing to left one, I had to press it just slightly to slide it in. So basically what I did is when I was putting second one, I just press it from both sides a little bit and just put it in. Literally took me 5 minutes, and as you see, none of them are damaged. Just a second, let me focus this camera. Okay, none of them are damaged. All of them sit perfectly. And even, let me see, I got from FCP Euro, it's a Corteco, and they have an instruction here how to move through the glove box. But I just show you and I just did it myself. You don't have to. The only thing, the second filter, the right one, you would have to kind of squeeze from one side to slide in here, and then it just like goes in perfectly and sits. And as you see, none of them are damaged or anything. I just have to squeeze it a little bit, not much of the deal.